I'm Tony with Fieldpiece, and did you know you could perform a nitrogen pressure test with temperature compensation with your JL3 probes and the JL3 app? Here, let me show you how. To set up for your test, connect a JL3 pressure probe to measure system pressure and a JL3 pipe clamp to measure system ambient temperature. Then charge up the line set with the desired PSI of nitrogen that you're looking for, and you're ready to go to your app. From the JL3 app, tap onto the measurement screen and go to your third tab on the top, which is for evacuation, but it's also your tightness test tab. Now, to begin your test, you want to link up your tools. So you link your JL3 pipe clamp to that dry bulb container, your JL3 pressure probe to that pressure container, and press start to begin the test. Now, once the test begins, you have a timer that logs how long you performed the pressure test, and it locks in what your starting temperature and pressures were. Also, it begins to calculate in real time what your compensated pressure is based on any changes to the ambient temperature. Now, when your test is complete, you can press the stop button, and you still see your starting temperature and pressure, how much time you ran the test for, and then it shows you your ending ambient temperature and your ending pressure, and then a compensated pressure based on changes in the ambient, and then a more accurate compensated delta P to ensure that your system is leak-free. Now, when you're ready to create a report at the end, you can create a PDF, and you can have the results of your tightness test as part of your overall commissioning or test out report. And that's how you perform a nitrogen pressure test with the JL3 app and your JL3 probes.